Hey there everybody, welcome back to FinBear channel. Today we're going to do a quick weekly overview of Sundial Growers to figure out what we might be looking forward to seeing this coming week in the markets. So let's get started. All right, so right now we are zoomed out on the weekly candles just to get an idea of where everything's going on the long term. Right now we can see RSI on the weekly is at 54.50. If this continues to go up and trend upwards, we're going to see continued bullish momentum because price action on the small candles really is ultimately going the direction of these large candles. These large, long intervals are what really drives price and really is making things happen. So you always want to zoom out. Zoom out for your long-term investment goals. Zoom in for your entry points, or zoom in if you're just doing day trading where you're going to buy and sell the same day or within that week in some cases. So here's where we are. As we can see, we are still above this current area of resistance and now support, going towards making a new one up here. Stotch is saying that we're going to head into bullish territory, which is nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's go to the hourly. And also, as you get, but if you look back, you would see that we are bouncing up from the bottom of that Bollinger Band, which is a good sign as well. Zoom in. And zoom out. Okay, so here's where we have the previous week, where we already discussed that we were bouncing off this line here. We did break down. I still have a feeling that we might hit down towards this 95 because we have 3 peaks right here. 1, 2, 3. And typically after 3 peaks, you're going to see downward movement. I'd have to take out the book. Eventually we will have that video on different chart patterns, and 3 peaks will be one of them. I just happened to read it last night. So those 3 peaks, they're going to be followed by about 5 to 10% price action dipping. Which we are actually kind of seeing from $1.22 down to $1.06. So we're getting there. And here you see this consolidation. This right here is really going to tell us, are we going to head back up? Are we going to go back down? Touch, just kiss lightly this area of support and then head back up. Barring anything crazy, I think that is the reasonable idea of where things are going. Right now, we see some consolidation within the Bollinger Band as well because we have been channeling. So let me see if I can zoom in so we can see exactly where we are on that Bollinger Band. So as you can see, we are riding the red line right now, which is middle of the road. So Monday's going to tell us everything. Pre-market will probably tell us what direction we are going. Because if we break up outside of this channel, see here, and when I say this channel, I mean right here, because it's definitely been holding steady in this channel for a few hours. So if we have a candle on the hourly close outside of this channel, when I say close, I mean the solid part of that candle is on this side or this side. That will be our indicator as to what is going to be happening next and where we're moving. Now, if you're short term, you definitely want to be aware of this if you're scalping and doing day trading. If you're long term, I don't think this has anything you need to worry about because you're holding longer because you're looking for the bigger returns. So that is what I've got for you. As you can see, the Stotch here is still showing that it's going to go down. So I have a feeling we're going to touch this area, the bottom area of the channel, but again, we got to see if it breaks out. RSI does look like it is almost ready to make a move, say bust a move. It's still technically on a downward trend, even though, again, this is channeling. Remember, this is kind of zoomed in, so it's a little bit harder to see. But as you can see, this RSI is still on a downward trend. It hit a new lower low. Until this RSI breaks this previous high or breaks this previous low, we won't know what we're doing just yet. But if this RSI breaks this previous low, but price action goes above this point, there is your sign for a bullish reversal. Get ready to make some money. That's all I've got for you. Please let me know if this was helpful for you. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. It definitely helps us out in getting more people in our community. Please don't forget to engage and comment on the videos because I do try to respond to everybody. I actually think we got our first bot the other day, which is awesome. I'm like, holy cow, first week we got a bot. It just knows that people are watching and we're getting the right kind of attention. Not the bots, but other people. Thank you. Have an amazing week. Do awesome things. And let's go make some money.